Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation.
The Learn, Develop, Live podcast brings you another 1 minute of motivation. And here is your quote for today. Be patient. Everything is coming together. I get that sometimes things get hard, especially when you're working at your craft hour after hour, day after day, and you can start to feel a little bit disheartened when you aren't starting to see any sort of result from that hard work. But just keep going. Keep at it and keep knocking on that door. Eventually, you're going to meet this incredible person that you are slowly becoming, and then you'll see just how worth it everything really was.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.